Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video will be about how to make money with Canva. Canva is a popular online graphic design tool that allows users to create stunning design for various purposes such as social media posts, business cards, flyers, and more. While it's primarily a design platform, Canva can also offers opportunity to earn money using this platform. One way to make money with Canva is by creating and selling design on Canva Marketplace. As a designer, you can create unique and high quality designs and upload them to the Canva Marketplace. When someone purchases your design, you earn a commission. The commission amount varies based on the type of design and the selling price, but it's typically ranged from $1 to $13 per sale. So after uh, creating your account, here you can create your theme if you are a student or in school, and here you can try Canva Pro by upgrading your plan. Here you can create a design, a document, whiteboard, presentation, video, Instagram post, poster. You have logo, Facebook post, flyer, infographic, Instagram story, resume your story, A4 document. Start creation from media. You can import a file, or you can just use one of the suggested. Let's try whiteboard. So another way to earn money with Canva is by joining the Canva affiliate program. As an affiliate, you can promote Canva to your audience by sharing your referral link on your website, social media, or other platform. When someone signs up for paid Canva subscription to your referral link, you earn commission. The commission rates varies based on type of subscription, but it can be ranged from $5 to $36 per sale. So here we choose the whiteboard. You can set a timer, a note, start with a template, next, waiting for the template to load, open the text lab and add text to your design, upload your own images, and share and download. We have uh, ideas, a mini map. No, forget about it. Let's choose something. Light bulb, only one. So if we choose the mind map, this is our mind map. You can design it, you can draw on it. Okay, I'm bad at drawing. And click share. People with access, collaboration link. We have template link, present, download actions. You can download it or share it. More, email, purchase premium, and others. So you have to download it. share your design with others. You can copy a link and share this design. Okay, not this one. Done. Now let's go back and import file. The one that we uploaded right now. This one. And use as a new design. What would you like to create? Let's see. Instagram post. So after creating your design, you can sell it depending on various ways. So to get started with making money on Canva, you will need to create a Canva account. If you don't already have one. Once you have an account, you can start creating designs and uploading them to the marketplace. This is the fault we did. Upload design to the marketplace, not here. Let's look where is the marketplace. Marketing, creativity, Canva business, resource, education, plans and pricing, learn. Where is the marketplace? Apps. So here, click on upload, choose a file, upload that file. You can add template and no, forget it, not here. Sorry. So in conclusion, Canva is a great platform not only for designing but also for earning money. Whether you are a professional designer or just starting, you can leverage Canva's marketplace and affiliates program to earn some extra cash. With little creativity and effort, you can turn your design into profitable business on Canva. We said you click on upload, you choose a file, you open it, use a new design. Let's say Facebook cover. And I think that's it for this video. You can sell your designs on this website. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.